Hey folks, this video is to show you how to make a copy and how to make a Google Doc shareable. So we're going to start off in our assignment folders where you go to submit an assignment. Now this particular assignment, I have the link here for the Google Doc. When you're done with it, you're going to come back to this folder to submit the shareable link. But let's just take a look at the document. All right, so this was the web quest. Now you can't write immediately on it because this is the master copy. If everyone wrote on it, and if I gave permission for everyone to write on it, no one would have their own copy. So you need your own copy. It's like writing on your own piece of paper. So you're going to come over to File on the left-hand side, click on File, and then you're going to select Make a Copy. That's where you can make the copy. You're going to share it to your own drive. And I'm going to put in Mrs. Gibbs so I know it's mine. And I'm going to make my copy. So voila, it's creating my own copy. Now I can write on it. The second thing you're going to do once you make your copy is make the document shareable. If you do not make it shareable, I cannot grade it. So make sure you come over to the right-hand side, click on Share, and change the access to P Virtual Charter School. All right, then you can just click Done. You can also copy this link and have it ready. So once you copy that link, the link is copied, you've done your assignment, you're now going to go back to that assignment folder. And in that assignment folder, you are going to submit that link. So for example, I'm going back into this folder, the Odyssey Web Quest. I'm clicking on Odyssey Web Quest. And then I'm going to scroll down to where I can create submission. I'm going to open it up and paste that link in there. Then I'm going to submit it, and now my assignment is complete. This should be the process for any Google Doc assignment you receive. You need to make sure that you make your own copy. Please do not send me a copy request. This is something you have to do. And you also need to make your Google Doc shareable, or I cannot view it to grade it. All right, folks, that's a wrap on how to make a copy of a Google Doc and how to make it shareable and how to submit it in Blackboard.